direction. Celia. Yeah, that's Gargar in the tray.
What are you laughing at, Ralphie? I'm recording them and he doesn't even know. Something funny, Ralphie. GiGi.
Turtle.
Named after my favorite movie.
Turtle.
Is that funny, Ralphie? Ralphie's a pretty boy. Turtle.
Everything okay in your Brinksy? Huh? Is everything okay in your box?
Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Ralphie, what are you laughing at?
He's responding to the laugh. That's funny.
GiGi.
Just stop him like around to see why you're not laughing. He's looking like, why aren't you laughing?
GiGi?
Pretty boy if he laughs.
Pretty boy.
Pretty boy.
Right up against him. Jesus.
Now we can have all three laughing. This is new, isn't it?
This much, yeah.
This much, yeah.
Usually gets a few out. But leave them off with a hot minutes now.
Good boy. Do it. Go do it.
Look at GiGi, she's like, I want out. Do it, do it.
Do it. Do it.
He started saying that when Cynthia was trying to get them to make for the first time.
Yeah, because I'd be like, do it, do it.
And then she couldn't tell one day. She's like, I know he's saying something, but...
Clarabelle wants to know what's going on over there.
I know you can't really see him.
Do it.
GiGi, you're really blocking the entire view. You are funny.
Oh my goodness, are we okay?
Kevin moved the chair.
Do it. Is that funny to say do it? Say pretty boy.
God, they're so sick.
Ralphie, pretty bird.
Why is that funny?
And who is Turtle just playing for?
Himself.
He keeps...
Oh, he sees himself in the shadow.
Because he keeps showing his wings. Like,
Really?
I don't see another bird there.
GiGi.
You can see his reflection in the picture, don't you? The glass. Oh yeah, 'cause I can see myself from here.
Oh, now he's tapping.
This is mine.
He's getting it. That is
Mating.
Bubba behavior. Tapping the cage.
Just once, Ralphie. GiGi, pay attention to him.
You know, it'll be really sad
If he
if she
wants
ends up being
to.
a he and he's been wanting to.
Oh my god.
Let's throw Sunny in there quick.
Well, but we had Clarabelle with him, and Clarabelle all but.
You know that's true.
Yeah.
That is true.
And
She wasn't ready yet, was she?
Oh, she fed her butt up in his face?
That would be a good audio. Had her butt up in his face.
Why is he giggling so much?
You see him bobbing his head?
Yeah.
Do it, do it.
Do it. Pretty bird.
Oh, Ralphie. What is going on, Oshie? Is Ralphie just being funny? Oh, she's like...
Get his head bobbing.
Do
it, do it. Do it, do it. There it goes. My jaws hurt from laughing.
And her freaking tail. She won't move.
Ralphie! Oh, that's a... Ralphie! Pretty boy. Say, do it.
So
Do
funny.
it.
Hey, Rouge, can you step up?
Do it, do it.
Check out the water.
You just put him in there, Pepper.
Oh,
But he liked it.
you like it?
I was trying to put him on the edge and I'm trying to...
And then, of course, over here, we have everybody else.
That whistle was different.
Whistle was very
I thought
different.
that was bad whistling.
So we have Ruby and Sunny as a visitor, Rouge as a visitor. And then we have
Gar-Gar and Celia.
Celia
Celia's tail's getting longer.
and darker blue.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have
Chippy. He's learning from Mr. Gray.
that's Chippy.
And Turtle's on top.
Ralphie.
I'd love to hear that.
You're such a good boy. Is that funny?
Mr. Gray didn't stick his head up. That
Say,
was Mr.
do
Gray's
it,
voice.
do
I
it.
know that is Mr. Gray's voice.
Do it.
Sunny, step up. Sunny, come on. Yeah, Sunny didn't like that.
Car.
You know, she has seat over the talons.
Car. Hi, Car.
Well, you probably don't want to get
How
there
are
right
you
anyway,
today?
because we've got to go
How
home.
are you
I know, it's
today?
freezing.
You look so good. Yeah, you're getting a little bigger every day.
Oh, that was a Rouge.
Yes, he's a good baby.
D-A-D-D.
Yeah. Yes, I know.
Stands against daughters dating. Shoot the first one.
Look